the villages around the country, to all the 14 provinces of the country. Niandra di Northern Fiji.
Okay.
And to all the staff of the hotel industry.
Yes.
We say Yandra Vinaka. And
good morning, everybody.
welcome
Good
to our Palagi show and Salika Kaburai on Beat FM and 231 Waimanu Road.
It's Wacky Wednesday.
Whoa.
It's Wacky Wednesday.
Wacky Wednesday, and the weather too is on live now.
Yeah.
As you can see outside, there is a cloudy, whiting cloudy, and the above the cloud, under the brain.
Yeah.
Above the cloud, there is
The what?
See the color? It's blue.
Yes.
That's where our eyes can reach. If you see in the sea, we can see the level, the sea level, the line of our eyes, where our eyes can reach.
Right.
Yeah.
If you see someone, you can see only where your eyes can reach.
Yes.
Right.
If you see the road, you see the dot, you only can see what your eyes can reach.
Yeah.
If you read something, you can only reach whatever you can read through your eyes, Richard.
Very powerful eyes.
Yeah, very powerful eyes. Yeah. That's how LT1230 never lies to their passengers. Turang Tadingu Dabs.
Yeah.
Always.
Motoloa. Yeah.
Good morning to Tadingu.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ngona kapitan ni matatim ni Ngiowe si Menangali.
Wana na droko ni balitu monropa der tamana.
Ayo siya ngokwan ni kapitani. Ngone ngitoki nang ganito may zambay pala madugad. Boleh menata Tadingu, boleh ni menakera mata kami ni kuwa. And out palang show and BTFM.
Right.
Okay, Nikua hausan tarukim rumah dengan tanah taruh membalatan na marama pa takira turang.
LM69.
Household
Yes.
only have one phone.
Okay.
Who should have the authority to keep the phone? Ladies first.
Women, we should have the authority to keep it.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of things very useful things that we search online.
Yeah.
Like recipes.
Right.
When daddy
Hold on.
when daddy comes back home
Yeah.
and is hungry
Yeah.
and wants really nice, delicious food,
Yeah.
mommy can learn the
From the
whatever
phone, from the
phone, the recipe,
Yeah.
whatever food
Yeah.
that daddy wants to eat.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy is in the home and
Yes.
still coming and learning for cooking.
Yes,
What
Ken.
if daddy is there is hunger?
Look, mommy come.
You go on hunger strike.
Yeah. If daddy is there is hunger,
Yes.
he have to wait for you to set and cook and
No.
that time.
Okay,
What I'm saying is
Yeah.
you go to work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need the phone. Mommy stay home.
You Zhao.
Yes, you go to work and focus on your work.
Yeah.
Work hard
Yeah.
for the family. To provide data to mommy.
Yeah.
To search for the recipe.
Yeah.
So that mommy can cook delicious food for
So
you.
when-
From
okay.
If your clothes is torn,
Yeah.
mommy can look for how to sew. You know, if mommy doesn't know.
From 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., mommy doing the set.
Okay, hold on. After daddy's gone to work, Eleanor,
Okay?
how long should you be using the phone?
Not very long.
Yeah.
Because
As long as it takes.
yes, because sometimes yes can like when the job is finished,
Okay.
and when everything is done,
Okay.
washing done, everything, cooking
Okay, sometimes
for the
when
kids.
the baby is crying, you still on the phone?
No,
Oi.
baby is
Ikaw
we
mo tukul na kadi,
prioritize.
kita naman na kaya namin siguro.
Yeah,
Yes.
you keep it because this is life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay. Yeah.
Prioritize baby.
Oh, okay.
When baby asleep, then you go online.
Yeah.
Then you check
All right.
whatever is happening.
Okay. The message.
Come.
Who should keep the phone?
Daddy.
Why?
Because daddy,
Yeah.
whenever anything has planned in the home,
Okay.
he got a calendar in his phone.
Right.
He will mark the calendar.
Okay.
Yeah.
What date is this?
Okay.
What have to do with this?
Yeah.
So, it's like a timer too for daddy.
All
You
right.
mama, you have the wall clock at home.
Daddy very weak in the head.
You mama have the wall clock at home.
Yeah.
You see your timing there. Eh?
Right.
If you want to learn something,
Yeah.
we learn together as a family. If you want to know how to cook this, we do it together. Eh? If you do it alone and you think that food is taste for me, no. If I saw you in the way you cook together with me, the food, if there is no salt, it will be nice.
But daddy comes home after 7 o'clock after
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
I can't wait for daddy. The
Sometimes
kid's there.
early 3 a.m.
I
in the
can't
morning.
wait for you to come. Yes, sometimes you
Ah.
you don't come home
Alam
straight.
nila ka matutulog mo takalala.
Yeah, sometimes you don't come home straight. After
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
you call mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, boss say overtime.
Yeah.
But no, you go to the grog shop.
Okay,
Java
hold
shop.
on. Okay.
Come.
If daddy has the phone,
Yes.
and daddy, because there's only one phone, because you
Okay.
got friends too,
Yes.
contacting you.
Yes.
Should you get the phone and check daddy history?
That is history. Yes.
Search?
Can. Yes.
Do you allow that or no?
If mommy leave the phone at home,
Yeah.
Yes.
If mommy leave the phone at home, one thing I have to come and check.
Yeah.
I don't check for research.
Okay.
What?
I don't check for the message.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just check for the data. How many percent of data you have been using? That will show me
Yeah.
how long you have been using the phone throughout the day.
Okay, set.
You don't mind me using the data because you the man, you the provider.
I know the provider.
Yeah.
If the man is provider,
Yeah.
if you use my data to another man, how will we grow?
You the provider, mommy the user.
Okay.
I lose weight.
Okay, there's another question before we finish off this show this morning. If daddy comes home, Eleanor,
Yes.
and the baby is crying,
Right.
and you are busy doing something,
Okay.
who should attend to the baby?
Daddy.
Why? Okay, why?
Because from 8 o'clock in the morning
Yeah.
till the time daddy comes home,
Yeah.
he is away from home and he doesn't look after the baby. That is the perfect time for daddy to come
Yeah.
and just
That's
Hold
get
on.
better the
Come.
babies.
Okay, hold on. When
Hold the baby.
Ocho Sintarogo
Yes,
Demeshi to
my-
round off our cap.
Okay.
When the small papa is crying,
Ah?
who should drink the milk?
Oh, muna na laki na sapoy ba? Papa sa nga mo wini. Lumengo iko mo koti. Ayaw mo batu.
Tura bilay sa niya, minaka nga, don't provide.
Berapa besar itu kan mata di komik kemudian kata doa kena tweak leling abi kan dan mata ka di bangka bisi di kuah and bon ouch palangi show rata labi kemni muni bangta mai no bugun ni sono ulutan kemni ngandra ba
Iya.
me kita vita lokina ninga tu tu mai bata kita na ambiu ka na hawadi na na ulutanga
Iya.
kita na gawa setu yani biki muni and nanta gono boru tagli ko ni
Right.
kemaka ni mani sarabati ko na lalongo bita mai kina na muni ulutanga Roni mata kita nge vita lokina yo chigo kita nge sarabale shi ko dena lako
Right.
and basi mai vita na ba tutu wata man to vita lo tag bandago
Iya.
Ocha me kito nge me toki kino sana fun element
Right.
and bunon the outs palangi show and mataka ni mataka and
Nama
na
do?
na kabe Wayne ba
Bain ba ni the cow?
Ba ni the cow.
Meli na the level, my Brisbane, si Junia, bilay sa niya.
Tuna reta isa bina boleh besara
Jekara.
yeah
Daddy, when he is through the phone, will didi matalalanga.
Kandua. Binian na sa sani. Le weekend na ngono na matawala sa singa tu kina talibuni.
Di na.
Yeah.
Portan ko baka na kaya wala tiwali na matawali.
Right.
Yes.
Sing niya wala ta na message talibe karua se be indua tale.
Yeah.
Na kena banga ta ngani ngauna.
hey
Iyo.
kimro bambutango ni birte na telefon lalang kimro bambuta di sa daw ya dawti
Right.
kimro bambuta lang ni shot lang laptop birtaki
Sanjina.
iyo
Ni santo tu kina wele, ngesa nakakana.
Iya,
Sika
suka
ni
na.
sili na ngone na kena ngauna.
Yeah.
Right.
Lewu na ka sa may wele tu kina. Ala ko may santanda ko, kan sama kami talibu-libu may nakukuni siyang di ba kukuya. Ngomel
Iya.
ko na talibun kena
Kuko, ay,
kasyo.
kuko
Iyo.
na gadget liling, kondo na kani kana kuko, ay.
Iyo, mura-mura todo ko sa tungkol.
Right.
Kiki.
Kaki, sir nga.
Kaya baka ubiyar di Australia, New Zealand, tiki.
Iya.
Sir. Chale sinakarawan to
Yan
yan
ang
na
second.
kami ng Ba Correction Center.
Pinabalik
Sergeant
ko ito sa
Tomburua,
tama.
Moji, Sergeant Chand, Nanggani,
Like.
Nax.
Like, heart, set ka ng talay.